everyone, I'm Nita from Richmond. Today we are at SANHE warehouse to check in a brand new excavator, the LIUGONG 915F, a perfect choice for 15-ton classes. Okay, let's go. First, let's take a whole look. LIUGONG's signature orange-yellow painting with tough and practical line. It has a stand 0.5 cubic meter bucket with a 40.6 tons operating weight. It's perfect for earth moving and loading. Pop into the cab and you will find an 8-inch HD touchscreen with all the functions integrated. It features one-click control switch, audio idle, and other practical features to keep you comfortable all day. LIUGONG knows its configuration. Okay, now look at the key part. The heart of this machine is Cummins F4.5 engine rated to 96 kW. With the DOC and DPF after treatment, it meets Chinese stage 4 stand and is ready to work without any issue. Overall, the LIUGONG 915F excavator is compliant, perfect, a reliable choice for 50-ton classes. Drop a comment if you want to know more. We will drop deeper next time. Bye-bye.